In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I become a digital marketer from scratch? Well, make sure you stay tuned and listen to the next few minutes of this video very carefully, because I am going to give you some strategies and tell you some best practices that you'll want to employ to get started in digital marketing, even if you're starting from square one. So I suggest that you avoid all distractions and pay attention to what I'm going to share with you. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like, because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you very much. So let's get into it. So to start things off, let me tell you that social media, the internet and mobile have led to digital marketing being central to most of our everyday lives. It has provided a solution to many complex challenges that modern day organizations are faced with. Digital marketing covers lots of different areas and basically involves any content in an online environment that is designed to engage a specific audience. Here are some of the roles that are available in digital marketing. They include blogging, campaign metrics and research, communications and public relations, PR, content marketing. Let me tell you some more. Here they are: copywriting, database management and analysis, email marketing, mobile marketing, pay-per-click or PPC, search engine optimization, SEO, social media, video, and web design and development. With so many roles on offer, it's likely that people will initially experiment with several areas before developing expertise in one area. I will now give you some strategies and best practices which can help you get started with digital marketing. Here we go. So the first strategy is to develop your skills. This is a fast-paced and ever-evolving field, and what works today might not work tomorrow. This means that graduates need to be constantly learning and keeping on top of the latest trends and sought-after skills. Technical skills are incredibly important in the field. Grasping online technologies, especially social media, is imperative, but desired attributes often vary according to each role. With a digital skills gap that is costing the economy an estimated £63 million a year, employers need people that have knowledge and understanding of digital skills and techniques, and individuals that possess these digital skills have a competitive advantage in the marketplace. It is important to possess a creative mindset to help with digital strategy, content, social and email marketing, while also balancing this with the technical skills such as search engine optimization, SEO, Google Analytics, video production, Photoshop and web design. Personal characteristics shouldn't be underestimated either. If you're a creative problem solver who likes working in a fast-paced environment and you have an interest in the future of marketing, then a career in digital marketing could be for you. Combine this with impressive levels of dynamism, enthusiasm, flexibility and inquisition, and you've got the makings of a great digital marketer. Here is the next strategy: get marketing work experience. Work experience such as a marketing internship is important and can make you stand out from other people. Gaining experience doesn't only have to come from a formal scheme, it's also possible to build your skills in other ways. Firstly, develop a good understanding of the industry. Read blogs, keep up with current trends and best practices, and get a feel for how you might implement campaigns. Secondly, build something. Start a blog, learn how to communicate online, so then you have something of substance to show interviewers. There are many free and low-cost blogging tools available, which means there's no excuse not to give it a go. If it's done well, the blog might convince a potential employer of your abilities. Let me now give you some tips on how to start a blog or a website. Here we go. Businesses of all kinds start blogging as a way to build up a long-term audience, but the reverse is also happening, with more and more bloggers starting businesses as an extension of their blog, and it makes sense. One of the biggest challenges new businesses face is building an audience for their products. New bloggers, on the other hand, often work backward, building an audience first by consistently putting out good content, then exploring ways to monetize their traffic. A blog is a website consisting of content usually focused on a specific topic that you regularly update. Unlike news outlets and other publications, blogs tend to take on a personal tone which helps them connect more deeply with their audiences. People start their own blogs for all kinds of reasons. They include to share opinions, passions, or glimpses into their lives, to teach others what they know, to build an email list, to develop their personal brand as an expert, and to increase their online income, or it can be a combination of these things. Pick a niche for your blog. What's your thing going to be? There is no shortage of content on the web. It may seem hard to stand out, but there are two ways you can compete: by choosing a specific niche to focus on, and by creating content that has something about it that readers can't easily find somewhere else. It's important to choose a niche that has a lot of demand. Some examples include the health niche, dating and relationships niche, and the property market niche. This will ensure you can consistently create content without running out of ideas. You'll also need to ensure that your chosen niche attracts an audience that aligns with your blog monetization strategy. What products or services would this audience be interested in buying? You can do this in a number of ways. Focus your new blog on a specific location, for example, New York. Focus your blog theme on a specific segment within a larger category, for example, not just recipes but vegan recipes. Deliver your blog posts in a different style or voice, for example, humor. Compete with quality. You can do this with in-depth posts on a topic that no one else is willing to do. Choose a blogging platform and template. Before you write your first blog post, you'll need to set up your blog hosting and content management system. This is where many would-be bloggers get stuck if they're not exactly sure which platform they should invest their time and money in. The choice usually boils down either to a self-hosted or hosted blogging platform. Let me now tell you about each of these hosting platforms. Self-hosted. These platforms generally offer more customization options, but you'll need to host the site yourself by paying a hosting company a separate monthly fee. Apart from this cost, a web hosting plan requires one initial setup. WordPress is the go-to open source platform if you're considering the self-hosted route. Hosted. A hosted site will allow you to set up your own blog faster. Shopify, for example, includes hosting in all its plans. However, unlike Shopify, some hosted sites like Blogger or Wix will limit customization options. You could also attend industry events and exhibitions. These often include a range of guest speakers and can be free. They're also a great opportunity to network with digital marketers. Let me give you another strategy. Read, watch and learn. One of the best ways to get started in digital marketing is to prepare yourself with basic knowledge before investing your time, money and energy. You can read books and blogs to understand the basic and advanced concepts of digital marketing. You can learn from industry leaders like Neil Patel. If you don't like to read, you can opt for video tutorials offered by Google and HubSpot Academy for free of cost. Here is another strategy. Create business profiles on social media. This doesn't mean that you create your business profile on every social platform. It's not at all a good practice. I suggest to choose your website's niche and accordingly pick at the most 2 social sites where audiences from your niche are available and looking for content like yours. This way you'll understand how to choose the best platform for brands, because spreading all around the web isn't a good idea. Let me give you another strategy. Familiarize yourself with free digital marketing tools. Since you're just starting out, it will be tough to pay for premium marketing tools. Don't worry though, there are plenty of free ones around. Let me now tell you about some of the ones I suggest you get acquainted with. Here we go. Google Analytics. See data like the number of people visiting your site, which pages they go to, how long they stay, and hundreds of other actionable metrics. Google Search Console, GSC. See which pages are indexed in Google, the keywords your site ranks for, and the websites that link to you. Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, AWT. See your website's backlinks and keyword rankings, plus scan your site for common SEO issues that could be hurting its performance. ConvertKit, an email marketing tool. Their free plan lets you manage up to 1,000 subscribers. Buffer, free social media scheduling tool, automates the process of posting content. Here is another strategy: networking. Sociologists have found that most non-visible high compensation jobs are not found via your closest friends. Instead, they're found from weak ties, i.e. casual acquaintances or people who have the same school or cultural background. This is the reason why you should always be networking. First, find one or a few people you admire in digital marketing, then follow this three-part strategy. Consume all the content the person has produced. If you enjoyed or learned from a particular piece, share them on social media and tag the person. You can also send an email to say thank you or offer a compliment. Give them a platform that can promote their work. Interview them for an article, podcast, or a video. This doesn't have to be your own site, it can be for another, but then again, don't be discouraged even if you have a small website. Some people would be more than happy to help. Find out what projects they're currently working on. This could be obvious from their social, or you could ask them. Then figure out how you can help them reach their goals. Now, I have a question for you. Which strategy from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So, all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you become a digital marketer. If you want to accelerate your learning and improve your digital marketing skills with step-by-step flexible online learning with experts, click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the training, cutting-edge skills and knowledge you need with digital marketing to create a profitable online business. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description under the video and take a look. I hope you have found this video useful, and if you feel it was valuable, please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.